Okay, exciting time. Till this point, we only discussed about the theories, brainstormings, ideas, what we should do. From this point, we are more in coding. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll just come back here and ask, maybe here, okay, using the GH CLI, can you digest the task issue 1 and let me know what you understand. Check the what we have now. Actually, I'm in the implementation. Okay, check the specs, plans, phase 1 for details. What I'll do, I do the same prompt to both of them, means the GLM and the open code. Let's see which one understands it better, and I will ask them to give me the plan. So okay, open code, what did it say? Phase 1 project scaffolding, Node.js project, tsconfig, eslint, okay. Do you need to create a plan with to do? Okay, what did GLM say? So yep, same thing, task, verification, task, same thing. Do you need to create a plan to do? So it has created the plan or to do. Wow. I have created to do plan, 10 task running, committing after each task. How about this one, GLM? And it's thinking. Let's go to here. Shouldn't we create a feature branch first? Did you add this in your task list? I think the GLM also didn't write this one. So it is saying it has too many commit, but we don't want too many commits, do we? And it started implementation. That's fine. Let's do it. So what I'll do, I just pause. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, I'll just allow all and let it run automatically. So create JSON, TypeScript build. So it's asking for npm install. Sure, why not? Control P. Nope. Anyway, Control O. Yes. npm view open telemetry. What's the problem? So it's now started task 2. And task 2 done. Now task 3. So going detailed transcript. Thinking. So it's working. By the way, in case you missed it, Control O, you open up the toggle. Sorry, open up the thinking, and Control O, it goes away. Then Control E to collapse the whole thinking and everything like this. Let it work. So keep working. Task 3 done. Now task 4. But okay, smoke test. Docker compose config. I think GLM is a bit slow or slower than Minimax. Next time I'll try the Minimax and see how it goes. So all 5 tasks complete. Running final verification checklist. So what I'll do in the meantime, I already implemented the task. Can you do the verification if I missed anything or not? So Docker Compose, Postgres 17 Alpine, Redis 7 Alpine. Okay, it's better. Looks complete. That's good. So Mr. GLM said all good. Yes, why not? Yes. Thanks. I have pushed my NGS. I hope we can now create a pull request. Can you do it using the GH CLI? Did you create the PR? No. Okay, that's good. So we are using Minimax. Oh, it did so fast. That's good. Now we do the review. Simple. Where is the README? Come on. Okay. So I think that's good enough for now. I will do the margin and let's wait. Okay, so we're almost at the end. This is the starter. And yep, looks good. Let's merge it and see you in the next video when I'll create the second task. How about I assign anyway, I'll do it later. Yep, that's it. Easy, isn't it? So, yeah, see you in the next video.